how to delete blog posts on Wix. So to do it, you want to go to your Wix dashboard right here. And then after that, you want to choose on the blog right here. And then click on posts. And then right here is all your posts that have been published. And you can just choose on one of them or any of the posts that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this one, this unpublished changes. I can just click right here on these three dots at the right side of your screen and then choose on move to trash. Click again on move to trash. And there you go, the post is deleted. And after that, you want to go to trash right here. And if you accidentally delete the wrong post, you can just restore it right here. Or if you're sure you want to delete it, you can just click right here on delete. Because if you don't delete the post right here on the trash, then it will be forever in here. Click on delete and then click on delete again. And as you can see, post that you move will stay here until you permanently delete it. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.